April 22, 2022. Temperature, my car says 22.5 degrees. The time is 12:10. I want to show you the situation around the hotel. It's we stopped for a second. The camera ran out of battery, so I plug it in before it started. I didn't notice it was low, very low battery. As I said on the previous video, there's no request for a flight pass to fill up since April 18th, so it's making it even easier for people to come to Cyprus. And of course all the rules have been loosened, and for locals and for tourists visiting. It's like this pandemic came to an end. Hopefully will not come back in September. Anyways, it's 12:10, lunchtime in Cyprus. Paphos, lovely weather, sunny, warm. Happy Easter to everybody, Christian Orthodox, celebrating Easter this week. We're outside Amapi Hotel right now. Alexander the Great on the right, on the left. And we're driving towards Paphos Harbour. Hotels are getting pretty packed up, full. And it looks it's gonna be a busy season. Hopefully we'll cover some of the damage of the last 2 years. Paphos Harbour, it's been busy last few weeks now. Nice to see plenty of people around. Enjoy their coffee, their walk. The road. Right fast. What is it? Two scoops. Small. No, in the... Take from me here.
Make that home in the pocket.
You have money?
No. 2 scoops, which one I will take? These ones?
No, chocolate something. Good stop for an ice cream. The ice cream here in Nicosia Galleria. I'm gonna make video. Ice cream, treat from Damara. There you go. You like one?
It's a Ferrero in the Lion Bar.
Ferrero Lime Bar?
Yes.
Mine? Yours?
Yes, mine, yes.
Ah, the same?
Yes.
Very nice.